DealSeek is marketed as an app that helps users discover discounts, cashback offers, coupons, and shopping deals across a wide range of retailers. It promises to save you money with minimal effort, but the real question is, should you use it before watching this? Now, to be fair, deal and cashback apps are a legitimate category, and many can genuinely help users save money on purchases they were already planning to make. What it does well, finds discounts and deals. The app brings together coupons, promotions, and special offers from participating retailers. Easy to use. Most deals can be accessed through a simple search or by browsing categories. Where the hype falls apart, savings aren't guaranteed. The biggest discounts may only apply to selected products or limited-time promotions. Read the terms carefully. Some offers have conditions, exclusions, or minimum spending requirements. Privacy matters. Deal apps may collect shopping and usage data, so it's worth reviewing the privacy policy before signing up. So, should you use DealSeek? Short answer, yes, if you shop regularly and use it wisely. If you're looking for coupons and cashback opportunities, it may be a useful tool, but don't assume every deal is the best available or buy things just because they're discounted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.